Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change a car fuse. Before you begin, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Always ensure your car's ignition is completely off and the key is removed. This prevents any accidental electrical surges. Next, locate your vehicle's owner's manual. It will guide you to the fuse box, which is often found under the hood or beneath the dashboard. The manual also contains a diagram to help you identify the specific fuse you need to replace. Once you have your owner's manual, finding the fuse box becomes much simpler. It's usually located in one of two main areas, either under the hood near the battery or inside the cabin, often beneath the dashboard or in the glove compartment. The diagram in your manual is essential for matching the malfunctioning component, such as your radio or headlights, to its corresponding fuse. Remember, fuses are color-coded and clearly marked with their amperage rating, like a 10 amp or a 20 amp fuse. Now that you've identified the correct fuse, it's time to remove it. Most fuse boxes come with a small, plastic fuse puller, usually clipped to the inside of the lid. Use this tool to gently grip the old fuse and pull it straight out from its slot. Avoid twisting or forcing it. Once removed, hold the fuse up to the light and inspect the small metal filament inside. If the filament is broken or appears burnt, you've found your faulty fuse. With the old fuse out, it's time to install the replacement. It is absolutely critical to use a new fuse with the exact same amperage rating and color as the one you removed. Never use a fuse with a higher rating, as this can cause serious electrical damage. Gently push the new fuse firmly into the empty slot until it is securely seated. Finally, turn your car's ignition back on and test the component that was previously not working to confirm your successful repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.